Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video we will learn how can we draw this model. So we will go to sketch, we will select the front plane, and here we will select a rectangle, and from here to here is 50 millimeter because total is 75 and this one is 25. So this one from here to here is 50 millimeter, so we'll select 50 millimeter, this one, and the total height is 25. So here we will select the 25 millimeter and our sketch is completed. Then we will go to feature, then we will go to exit, and here we will select the 35 and mid plane. From here we will select the mid plane, and here we will select the 30 because total distance is 30 millimeter, and said okay. And now we need to create a chamfer of 5 by 45 degree. So for that we will go to fillet, and under the fillet option we have a chamfer. So here we will select the 5 and here we will select the 45, and then we will select this edge, and you can see that the chamfer is created. Now we need to create this extruded cut. We will select this face, then we will go to sketch. Okay, so from here we will select a central line and we will draw just for 10 millimeter, and then another center line for 20 millimeter, right? So we will go to dimension. This one is 10 millimeter and this line is 20 millimeter, right? And then uh, we can draw the sketch from this line. Go to state and then go to add some angle, and then go to horizontal, and then go to horizontal, and then we will meet this one. Okay, now we will give the dimensions. From here to here is 10 millimeter, and the distance from this to this is 5. So this one is 5 millimeter, right? And then the distance of this one is 10 millimeter. This one is 10 millimeter, and similarly for the distance from here to here is also 5 millimeter, and this one is 10 millimeter. And we don't need to this one because it will give the over define, so we'll delete this one. Okay, so the next thing is that we will go to we will draw a straight line at the center of this one. Okay, and we will select this edge, then we will select this edge, and then we will select the center line, and then we will make it symmetric. So now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. So if we want to extrude cut, the sketch must be closed, so we will select from here. Now our sketch is closed. Now go to feature and then go to extruded cut. So it's about 30 millimeter, or we can select through all and select OK. So now our extruded cut is created. Now we need to draw this rectangle. Okay, and then we will cut this one. So for that we can select this face. Okay, then go to sketch, and the total width is 10. Okay, so we will select the rectangle and up to this corner, and then the width of this one is 10 millimeter. Okay, our sketch is closed. See, from here to here is 10 and extrude is 25. So then go to extruded cut. Oh sorry, then we will go to extruded boss. So from here we will select the blind, and this side we will select 25. Now we will select 5 millimeter and said okay. Now it's created. Now we need to cut this one, so we'll select this face, then go to sketch. So from the dimension of is 10 and 10 by 10, so we will just select a rectangle of 10 by 10. Then we will go to the dimension, this one is 10, and from here to here is also 10. Now we need to specify its orientation. Go to smart dimension, so we can from bottom to this one is 7.5, so from here to here it is 7.5. okay, and from this edge to this edge is 8, so from this edge to this edge is 8. So now our sketch is fully defined. Just go to feature and then go to extrude cut. So select through all. So our sketch is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.